Hello, and welcome to English for Beginners. There's a shoe. There are shoes. There's a chair. There are chairs. There's a lamp. There are lamps. There's a ball. There's a ball. There's a ball. You say. There are balls. There are balls. There are balls. There's a beach. There are beaches. There are beaches. There are beaches. There's a sandwich. There are sandwiches. There are sandwiches. There are sandwiches. There's a scarf. There are scarves. There's a wardrobe. There are wardrobes. There's a hoover. There are hoovers. There's a horse. There are horses. There's a cinema. There are cinemas. There are cinemas. There's a cake. There are cakes. There's a man. There are men. There are men. There's a woman. There are women. There are women. There's a child. There are children. Are there any clothes? Yeah, there are 2 t-shirts. Is there any furniture? Yeah, there are 4 chairs. Is there anything electrical? Yeah, there are 2 lamps. Is there anything to do with hobbies? Yeah, there are 3 balls. Are there any places? No, there are no places. There are no places. There are no places. Is there any food? Yeah, there are 3 cakes. Is there anything electrical? Yeah, there are 2 lights. Are there any clothes? Yeah, there's a shirt. Are there any places? Yeah, there's a park. Is there any food? Yeah, there are 3 ice creams. Is there any furniture? Yeah, there's a desk. Is there anything to do with hobbies? Yeah, there are 2 bikes. That's it for today. Thanks for coming, and see you again next time. Goodbye.